what position should she
Take supine, yeah.
any other details?
Just to think that joint or bent.
The knees should be bent.
Okay, the knees should be bent. Yes. And other things?
And open.
Slightly open. Yes. And other things? How about the neck? It just
Neck
let
lying,
Uh,
back lying position.
directly or pillow. Slightly up,
Above,
right?
yeah.
So we can use the one pillow
Convection.
under the
Under the
neck
neck.
and the head. Okay, you can make sure the muscles of the abdomen relaxed. Okay, yeah.
Then we help to expose the patient's whole abdomen.
Yeah. Okay.
We just need to expose their victim, but not the breast.
Yeah, it's the protect the privacy. Yeah.
And we always stand at the right side of the patient. And in the we can start with the measurement of the height of fundus. It's the distance from pelvic symphysis to the fundus. We find the mark. Measure it from the 0 to fundus. It's about 34 centimeters for this.
Okay, so remember two things from zero. From zero, if the tips is broken, or if from 2 or 3 centimeter, you need to minus it.
Yeah.
Okay, and other things, you need to find the bone, the symphysis. Where is the symphysis? It is. Okay.
Then it's the circumference.
Have her to give it up.
The abdominal girth, we measure the circumference of the abdomen through the umbilicus. It's about
Why we need to choose the umbilicus level? Because for each patient, it's the same, it's the fixed place. So each during the whole pregnancy, we can have the different have it it just grow up of the data. Okay.
Do we need only one measurement or we should take two or more?
Need to do it.
Only one, so like take two measurements and then
Do it one
average.
time or 2 times to 3 times.
Once is enough.
Once is enough.
Yes.
Then we do the palpation in the first 3 stages of Leopold maneuver. We face the patient's face.
Yeah, face to face.
Firstly, we put our left hand to find the fundus and to measure how many fingers from
Side.
the
Xiphoid.
xiphoid to the fundus, or how many fingers from the
Umbilicus.
Umbilicus. Yes.
For this patient, it's about 2 fingers lower than the xiphoid. And then we put our both hands on the fundus to palpate. And in this step, we firstly palpate the shape and size of the uterus.
Yes. Make sure the shape of the uterus and the size, the fundus, where is. Okay. And whether it equal to the gestational age or not. Okay.
We palpate which part of the uterus occupies the fundus. If it's fetal head, we will find a round and hard part. And sometimes we could do bloatment, like a ball floating in water. We push it down. It may
Float by itself. Okay.
itself.
Just like the feeding. Okay.
And
Brought back. Okay.
Then if it's fetal bridge, we will find a soft and white part. Then come to the second step. We put our both hands on both sides of the patient, and one hand is fixed. The other hand palpate with gentle and deep pressure. In, and then we change it. In this step, we are going to find the direction of the fetal back, the flat and full part of the back, and the other side usually the limbs that we will find is irregular. Sometimes the baby's limbs
Kick in.
will move. Yeah. Then the third step, we just use our right hand with the thumb is separated from other four fingers, and put our hands above the pubic symphysis to hold the presentation. And in this step, firstly we check the presentation, and if we find a breach on a fetal breach in the fundus, then we find a fetal head above the pubic symphysis. Then we shake it. If it can move, that means it has not engaged. If it fits, that means it has engaged. Then comes to the fourth step. We turn to face the mother's feet and put our hands on either side of the presentation, and push it down to the pelvic. In this step, we check the presentation again and estimate if the condition of engagement. If we can put our fingers one or two to the pelvic, that means it has not engaged. But if we cannot put our fingers into the pelvic, means it has engaged. And this is the whole process of the Leopold maneuver.
After that,
We can know the fetus line. For this patient, breech is here, and back's here, and head's at the lower position. So I know we can know the fetal line is
what?
Right. Right.
Fetal line.
Fetal
And
line.
right.
Line.
Fetal
Transverse line.
Transverse
Transverse line.
Transverse
or
or
this is the transverse
or
line.
vertical.
Trans.
Transverse.
oblique.
Transverse oblique.
This is the oblique.
Oblique is like
So it's
I don't know.
vertical.
Oblique means like this, right? This is transverse. This is transverse. This is oblique. This is oblique.
No, head's here, breech here. It's
Transverse. Oblique means. Oblique means like this, right?
yeah, oblique.
Yeah.
It means but
Transverse.
yeah.
Vertical
This
line.
is the transverse.
Yeah, transverse.
Yeah.
Vertical line.
Midline.
Yeah, transverse.
Vertical like this.
Vertical. This is vertical. The baby
is
line.
This is transverse.
This
Oh,
is
this is transverse.
Yeah.
This is vertical. Okay.
This is vertical.
This is okay.
And then the
Longitudinal. Longitudinal. Yeah.
and then is the fetal position. Fetal position. Fetal.
ROA, right?
Yeah.
ROA.
Yes.
Yes.
Heart,
Right side.
occipital, anterior. Right.
Yeah.
Yes. And what's the presentation for this baby?
Presentation.
As occipital?
Left hospital anterior.
Break. Head.
Yeah.
Yes.
Occipital head on the right side.
Yes.
Engagement. ROA.
Yes. Yes. And how about the engagement or not?
Not engaged. It's
No
not
engaged.
engaged. She said
Yeah.
not engaged yet.
Okay.
The head is moving.
Yes. Yes.
രണ്ട് ഫിംഗർ ഫോണിലെ ഫിംഗർ
The stethoscope. The wood one. Yeah.
You guys are killing the baby.
the head ഇവിടെ this is the head, right?
Where is it?
ഇതാണ് head. Back. He's massaging the
That's
hands.
the auscultation of the fetal heart.
Depends.
Oh.
Okay. But each day you can have a newborn baby.
Which part do you
Yes.
think?
It's kind of nice. It's only the
I can hear.
only
This
happen
side,
things in hospital.
We can hear from the back.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Correct. And how to use?
We use this. Yeah. Today also like you
How to use? Do you know?
just keep your ear.
Yeah.
Camera ear on the on one side and the other side.
Close.
Whether
Other
it
side close.
needs the space or no.
Sorry?
Close directly on it, right?
Push the trigger.
And how about your fingers? Your hands?
One, if this is hearing, we can put this other. Want to catch that? Close
Need
the
to
other.
hold it?
Yeah.
No need.
Oh, that one.
No need.
Hold it.
It just close on it. Yeah.
Okay.
And release your two hands. Okay.
This is the instrument we use regularly in hospital also.
Yes.
Ultrasound.
Yeah.
This one is always comes in the ambulance.
Oh,
Ambulance. Yeah, just because it's too far away. Maybe some of the battery lower of the Doppler.
But in
So always use this one. It is so green and easy way.
but in ambulance it will be always loud, right?
Yeah. Ambulance, it will be hard to hear, right?
Like pee.
No, just because during we have met the patient, it's always at home. Right. Or and we need to hear the fetus heartbeat at first. Then we move it to on the ambulance.
Okay.
Okay.
Put it on at the
Back of
abdomen where the fetal bags is near to it.
So if the occipital is lower and we press it lower than umbilicus. Okay.
We need to hear the fetal heartbeat. For how long?
1 minute.
heart rate.
Yes, at least 30 seconds. If the 30 seconds you count it and you need to times
By
times two.
into 2.
Times two. Okay.
10 seconds and 25 seconds.
When we finish, remember to help the patient to dress up.
പേഷ്യന്റ് വേദന കൊണ്ട് വരും. That's too loud.
During your graduate examination, we always turn on it.
Wow, I can hear.
And you need to count.
Oh my god.
ഇങ്ങനെ ഇവിടെ നിന്ന് കേൾക്കുന്നുണ്ട്.
Sound working.
Fetal heart is so fast, so high.
We
Yeah.
can hear it from here.
Because there's we can rotate the button and the heartbeat will
Really
have
good
fast
here, I know,
or
I
slow.
know.
Okay.
Scare that baby.
Just depends on me. Okay.
Problem. What the problem?
You can see it, you can hear it from here.
Okay. So after we have the finished the auscultation, we need to just the patient up. Okay, we need to just it up, and then we need to tell the patient something. For example, what we have found just now.